In today's tutorial, we are going to see how you can create such YouTube short channels and gain millions of views. And the earning potential of such channels are insane and having millions of views just by creating shorts. And the fun fact is, to create 100 such shorts, you just need 10 to 15 minutes time. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you in 4 steps how you can generate such shorts which can gain millions of views. And not only that, I will show you how you can automate the scheduling of such YouTube shorts. So if you're excited, let's begin. Step 1. Choosing your niche for shorts channel. YouTube shorts will never fly unless and until you choose the right niche. The first niche is quiz niche. Now quiz niche can be 2 types. One is text based, one is image based. Now I want to show you one shocking thing. Many YouTubers are showing this channel, Daily Facts What, and influencing people to create shorts on daily facts. It is having millions of views. Most shocking fact is these channels earning is 0, meaning this channel is demonetized because of the repetition of such facts. Now look at this channel. This is a riddle channel. It is $385 to $4.6K, which is quite decent earning, yet this channel is monetized. So we are going to create some riddle videos. So let's begin with the scripting in the next part. Step 2. Creating the riddle or the script for your shorts. For that, we are going to use ChatGPT 3.5, and then in the message box, you need to paste the exact prompt if you're looking for a riddle channel, which will be given in the description, which states that it should create 50 quick riddles with 3 options: title, hook and body. And I have given some examples of how the title, hook and body should look like. So once this is done, you just go to the send message option and wait for a while until the table is getting generated. Same actions you might need to repeat for 3 to 4 times in order to create 100 riddles. Just copy it from here and open a Google Sheet. Now simply click here and paste them. Now you can do the required modification. Okay, one quick thing, you'll have to save a copy. Okay, here you'll have to change a little bit. You'll have to go for this CSV, comma separated value format. So just save it in CSV format. Step 3, create the YouTube shorts. For this, we are going to use Canva. Now the bulk create, the main option which I'm going to use is a pro feature of Canva. Therefore, I would request you to go for the 30 days free trial. The link will be given in the description. You can cancel anytime the subscription within these 30 days. Here, you can directly type YouTube Shorts. And I'm going to take a blank template. Here in the left hand side search bar, you go to this element section, okay, from top the second option, and in the search bar type moving background, and you will get many moving background. So go to video. Okay, I have got this dark yet an interesting background. Right click and set it as background. Here it will be coming. Okay, now next is, since we are creating a riddle and it is for shorts, reduce the playback speed a little bit. So 40 seconds is good enough. Now let us go to text option and take any text box. Here we will be giving the first option. So go back to your CSV file. So my first name is Riddle Jiggle, VAGPE Riddle Jiggle. Once it is changed, you can change the case from this. I will keep uppercase. And once it is done, this is going to be the first option which should come at the top. And then go to this color option and change it to a gradient color, which is visible. Okay, and make the black. You can change a thicker font from here. I will see how many columns are there. So let me head back. I have 6 columns. So therefore, I will have to take 6 such text boxes. And finally, now once this much is done, now this is time to do the timing. Now these two, first you group it. Okay. Now right click and go for show timing option. And this one should stay from beginning till end. Now towards the end, the hook and body will remain and these 3 will vanish and the actual answer should appear. Therefore, this one also, if you go show timing, It should stay from beginning till end. Done. Now first this one will come, the option 3. So I will right click and go to show timing. At the end 10 seconds I will keep. Now next is option 2. Option 2 will come. Just check from which length it is. It is coming, appearing at 7 seconds. So this one should appear after 7. So this is at 7 seconds. So I will just make it little more small. Now we will go to the first option, which should appear at 9 seconds. So let me just keep the playhead at 9 seconds. Go to this animation option and you can give any animation which you like. I have just reduced it till here, and here instead of this I want a timer. So I will go to this element option and I will start my timer. So give timer. Here you will get different timers. So go to this video option, show timing. Okay, and just check where is it stopping the time. 12.6. This will appear at 12.6 only. So just drag it and drop it here. Now if you cannot get the layer, then go to position and go to layers option and choose the one you want. Now let us assume that everything is alright. Then we will go for all apps option, and here you click, you write bulk create. It should appear here, bulk create. So option check on this. Once you use it, it should appear in the left hand side separately. Okay. Now there are 3 options. Either you can upload the CSV file. So I will go to upload CSV file and upload the CSV file which I have just created. Then right click, connect data. Okay, connect data with title. Okay. Now go to this hook, right click, connect data with hook. Go to this body, right click, connect data with body. Like this, right click, connect data with option 1. Then go back to bulk create. Once all these are connected, you see all these ticks will appear. That means all these data have been connected. Once this is done, you can go to continue option and it will show that generate 30 designs. You check yes, and in a blink your all 30 designs will 30 different riddles will be ready. Okay, and all these slides will be same as the first slide. If you want to change anything like background or any color, anything, then you'll have to change it separately. But for me, everything is all right. So I will go to share option, go to download option, download, take this option, which is again a pro option. You can see download pages as separate pages, separate files, and from here we will keep MP4 and then go for download. We are ready to schedule our shots. So let us move to the next part, but before that let us have a glance of our final shots. Every day 2 to 3 shots scheduling is good to be recommended for a short based channel. So for that we will be going to buffer.com, log in with your Gmail or email account. So once you log in, this is how your dashboard should look like in Buffer. So in Buffer you can manage 3 accounts for free. Here you can add more channels. For me there are 2 channels uploaded already assigned, so I can go ahead and choose another any channel, whatever you want. Just select that, you'll have to connect, and that's pretty much it. Add to buffer. This is how you can add 3 accounts. Okay, now you can go to this create post option. Okay, here you just drag and drop the video which we have just created. For description, again you can take the help of ChatGPT and copy paste, and then you can save it as draft or you can directly schedule it. Look at this channel having 19.1k views videos and more than 17.9k subscriber base, and their popular most videos are having lakhs of views. So this channel is earning every month decent earning. They're making 3.7k to yearly 43.9k, and they are having more than 913,000 views in last 30 days. So do let me know your subject, in which niche you have chosen for your YouTube shorts. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.